Electronics Logic channel. Myself Atul Kadam. Today I am teaching you terms related to magnetic field. What is definition of magnetic field? What is meant by magnetic field, or what is definition of magnetic circuit? The area around the poles of magnet or surrounding of magnet is called as the magnetic field or magnetic circuit, or the path traced by magnetic lines of force is called as magnetic field or magnetic circuit. Into this point, we are seeing the different terms related to magnetic field. Okay, into that first term is magnetomotive force. Here we have done the one setup. Okay, here we have taken one magnet, the wire or coil wounded on it, and supply is given to this magnet. After these connections, whenever the current flowing through this wire or coils, then there is a generations of lines of force. There is generations of lines of force. That lines of force is called as the magnetic flux measured in Weber, and there is a force in the magnetic circuit. That force is called as the magnetomotive force. What is the definition of magnetomotive force? The magnetic pressure which set up magnetic lines of force in the magnetic field is called as the magnetomotive force. किसको आप magnetomotive force बोलते हैं? Generations due to the magnetic pressure when the current flowing through this circuit, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्सेस जनरेट होते हैं. उस लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्सेस को आप क्या कहते हैं, मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स कहते हैं. बट ये जनरेट क्यों होता है? ड्यू टू दिस मैग्नेटोमोटिव फोर्स ऑफ मैग्नेट. मैग्नेटोमोटिव फोर्स के वजह वो जनरेट होता है. उसका फॉर्मूला क्या है? एमएम इज इक्वल टू एन इंटू आई, मीन्स द नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स ऑफ दिस वायर और कॉइल into the current flowing through the circuit. Because of the current flowing, there is a generations of lines of forces. Okay, and the unit is ampere turns. Unit क्या है? Ampere turns. Mm is equal to n into I. Okay, what is magnetic flux? What is the definition of magnetic flux? The lines of forces in the magnetic field is called as the magnetic flux. Unit is Weber. Okay, next term is magnetic flux density. What is definition of magnetic flux density? It is defined as the ratio of magnetic flux per unit area of magnetic field. Per unit area of magnetic field measured in Weber per meter square or Tesla. This is the definition of magnetic flux density. Next point is magnetic field strength. It is defined by the using letter capital H, and the magnetic flux density is defined by using capital B letter. Magnetic flux is defined by using phi sign or letter. Okay, what is magnetic field strength? It is defined as the ratio of mmf per unit length of magnetic field. Per unit length of magnetic field. Okay, what is mmf? N into I. Here taken, and per unit length is in meter. That's why unit of magnetic field strength or magnetizing force is ampere turn per meter. Ampere turns per meter. Okay. Next very important terms is reluctance. In the electric circuit, we are representing resistance as like the resistance of magnetic circuit or magnetic field is called as the reluctance. Means it is the opposition to the flow of magnetic lines of force or magnetic flux in the magnetic circuit is called as the reluctance. It is defined by using formula S is equal to L mu A, where L is the small L is the length of magnetic field, mu is the permeability. We are seeing this term permeability after this point. Okay, A is the area of magnetic field. In details, mu is equal to mu 0 into mu r. Mu 0 means permeability of free space or vacuum, and mu r means the relative permeability. A is the cross section area of magnetic field. Okay, or reluctance is defined as the reciprocal of permeability. Okay, another formula according to the Ohm's law in magnetic field or magnetic circuit, reluctance is defined as the ratio of mmf to the flux. mmf to the flux means Ni divided by phi is equal to यूनिट क्या होगा उसका एम्पियर टर्न्स पर वेबर. ओके, नेक्स्ट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म इज permeability. What is the definition of permeability? It is the ability of material. It is the ability of material to produce magnetic lines of force within itself. Means the calculations of capacity of magnetic material to produce magnetic field. To produce magnetic field is called as permeability. It is defined by using Greek letter mu. Mu letter से वो define किया जाता है. Mu is equal to another definition. It is defined as the ratio of inductance per unit length. ये capital L means inductance in Henry measure किया जाता है और small l is the length of magnetic field. Therefore, unit is Henry per meter is the unit of permeability defined by using Greek letter mu. Okay. Also, mu is equal to B by H. This is also very important for the calculations of BH curve or hysteresis effect. Mu is equal to B by H. Okay. Mu is equal to mu 0 mu r. यहाँ पे हमने प्लेस किया होता. Okay. तो these are the definitions of permeability. What is permeability? It is the ability of material to produce magnetic lines of force within itself, or capacity calculations of magnetic material to produce magnetic lines of force is called as the permeability. Okay, these are the six terms of magnetic field of magnetic circuit. Next two terms are very important, also very important. These are the first is leakage factor and second is the BH curve. Next is the BH curve. Next very important point is leakage factor and then BH curve or hysteresis effect. I have taken here is the ring type of magnet. The supply is given to this magnet and there is a generation of flux or magnetic lines of force into this magnet. This is the magnetic core of this ring type of magnet. Here is the formations of air gap. Okay, I want to discuss now what is leakage factor. Leakage factor is defined by using letter lambda. It is defined as the ratio of lambda is equal to phi divided by phi u. Means phi is the total flux, phi u is the useful flux. It is defined as the ratio of total flux to the useful flux is called as the leakage factor. Its value should be 1. Okay, and the value of total flux is always greater than useful flux. Okay, this is called as the leakage factor. Here is I want to discuss another points here. Here is I have defined a fringing effect. What is fringing effect? Whenever the useful flux enters into the air gap, then there is the formations of parallel paths of flux. Useful flux are converted into the parallel path. Okay, due to this fringing effect, flux density decreases. And the width of air gap increases. Okay, this fringing effect, due to this fringing effect, there is a more loss of magnetic flux in the air gap. Okay, this is called as the fringing effect. The value of lambda is ideally its value should be 1. Okay, this is called as the leakage factor. We want useful flux inside the magnetic cores. Okay. This is called as the leakage factor, phi divided by phi u. Okay. Next very important point is BH curve or hysteresis effect. What is purpose of this BH curve? What is B? B stand for flux density. S stand for magnetic field strength or magnetizing force. For the calculating the permeability of magnetic material, we are drawing this BH curve. What is the definition of BH curve? The graph of magnetic flux density versus magnetic field strength or magnetizing force is called as the BH curve. BH curve is different for different magnetic material like iron, steel. Okay. What is permeability? Mu is equal to B by H. For the calculations of permeability of different material, we are drawing this BH curve. Here is the positive saturation point. At this point, the value of the flux density is maximum, and the value of field strength is also maximum. This is called as the positive saturation point P. Okay. Then this is the in general BH curve. This is the in general BH curve. Like this, path is going like this. Okay, and here is the negative saturation point. Here is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth. Okay, in the negative quadrant we are also defining the BH curve for the negative saturation point. S is the negative saturation point, P is the positive saturation point. Here is the value of B and H is also maximum, but value is in negative. Okay, this is called as the BH curve. ये BH कर्व क्या होता है? तो BH कर्व जो का मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल होता है उसका परमेबिलिटी कैलकुलेशन के लिए BH कर्व और हिस्टेरेसिस इफेक्ट ड्रॉ किया जाता है. ओके, दीज आर दी लास्ट टू पैरामीटर्स in the magnetic field or magnetic circuit. I want to solve the design on these terms related to magnetic field or magnetic circuit. Okay. Next very important part is the problem on terms related to the magnetic field. Okay. The problem is a coil of 2000 turns is wound uniformly over a non-magnetic ring of mean circumference of 80 centimeter and cross section area of 0.6 square centimeter. If the current through the coil is 2 ampere, calculate magnetizing force or magnetic field strength. Second, reluctance, capital S, total flux phi, and the last parameter is the flux density. Into the bracket they have given also two parameters. Mu r, relative permeability is 1, and mu 0 is the permeability of free space or vacuum. Okay, value is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Henry per meter. Okay, on the basis of this you are calculating these four parameters. Okay, these are the given parameter. Current is 2 ampere, cross section area 0.6 centimeter square, converted into the meter square, 0.6 into the 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. Length means circumference means length of magnetic field. Okay, 80 centimeter converted into the meter, 80 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Number of turns is 2000. Mu r 1 Henry per meter, mu 0 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Henry per meter. Calculate the first magnetizing force. We know the formula of magnetizing force. It is the ratio of mmf to the per unit length of magnetic field. Okay, put the value into this equation, then you are getting the answer 5000 ampere turns per meter. This is our first parameter, magnetizing force or magnetic field strength. Second is the reluctance, into bracket capital S. Formula is small a divided by mu 0 mu r small a. A is the cross section area of magnetic field, L is the length of magnetic field, mu 0 is the permeability of free space or vacuum, mu r is the relative permeability. Its value is always fixed, 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Henry per meter. Relative permeability changes according to the material. Okay, here they have given, put the value of this parameter into this equation, then you are getting the value 1.061 into 10 raised to 10 ampere turns per Weber. This is the reluctance. Okay, next is flux. What is formula for flux? Phi is equal to Ni divided by S. Okay, put the value of this Ni, mmf, reluctance value, then you are getting the answer 0.377 into 10 raised to minus 6 Weber, or convert it to the micro Weber, 10 raised to minus 6 converted into the micro Weber, means small unit value 0.377 micro Weber. This is the value of flux. And last parameter is the flux density. We know the formula for the flux density, flux per unit area. Okay, or it's put the value of the total value of flux and the cross section area, then you are getting the answer 6.2833 into 10 raised to minus 3 Weber per meter square, or Tesla, or another unit for the flux density is Tesla. This is the value for flux density. As like this, you can solve any design related to magnetic field or magnetic circuit. Okay, through the channel I am providing various technical videos of different subjects. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. यदि ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए आपको सब्सक्राइब बटन पे क्लिक करना है, तभी ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब होगा.